Guys, it's me, Angie, and today actually I need to restock some of the things in my pro makeup kit, and I thought I'll take this video and show you guys one of the best ways I know how to do it. So let's start. So basically, if you are a pro makeup artist, a makeup enthusiast, or you're just like a beauty junkie, you have to know about this website where you can get the best deals online for your beauty supplies and makeup products. It's called cashgirl.com, and they have just the best deals online on those existing websites where you would practically buy your beauty supplies. So that's like Amazon, there's Nykaa on there, they have Sephora India. So for example, they're currently running a deal on Makeup Forever products where you can get 50% off on genuine Makeup Forever products from Sephora India online. So you have tons of products there. Some of your cream blushes from Makeup Forever, which are so on trend right now, are 50% off. And like, I need to restock on a coal black liner. So I'm gonna do that and show you guys today how easy it is to actually shop on those websites by clicking out via Cashgirl to grab the best deals. I'm just going to visit cashgirl.com. And as you can see here, they have all the beauty sites where you can shop from, like Amazon.in, Sephora. They also have Nykaa. But right now, I'm going to click on Sephora logo. And that takes me to this page. And I don't need to see all the other coupons. I can just click see coupons with cashback. As you can see, they're giving up to 50% off on premium makeup brands, and on top of that you get 30% Cashgirl cashback. So after I've clicked on the button see coupons with cashback, I'm just gonna click on this button right here and go on ahead to visit the retailer. So that's brought me to this landing page right here. I'm gonna click on shop now on this sale of Makeup Forever and look for that product that I wanted, which is that coal black pencil. And you really would just shop as you normally would on any other website. So I found the product I wanted, the Kohl pencil in black. As you can see, it used to be $1,575 and it's down to $788. And on top of this, I get 30% as cashback. So I'm gonna just shop as I normally would, click the color, add to my bag, and now move on to my checkout. And you guys know the drill, but and just to show you, I'm going back to Cashgirl where your cashback tracks right away when you buy on Sephora. I'm clicking on my account and you can see all of it track on my earnings. Let me show you some of the products I shopped online to stock my makeup kit. Over here, I bought some of these primer masks. It's a 3-minute sheet mask to apply before you start the makeup process. I got 4 of them to use on my clients, on myself. They used to be $500. After the cashback, it's now just $350. Aside from that, I got my Kohl black pencil from Makeup Forever. And a few other things I got from that sale was like this Aquamatic. It's a pencil eyeshadow in warm brown. I also got myself this nude lipstick right here. I haven't even unboxed these things, but let me just quickly show you the shade. It's a nice pale nude. Finally, I got this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara on Nykaa, and you can even get the same thing on Amazon.in and get deals either way. So guys, that's it for the video today. I hope you really appreciate my not so insider tips and tricks on how to grab the best deals when shopping online for your beauty supplies or makeup products on almost any Indian website, right? So if you like this video, of course, don't forget to shop via cashgirl.com, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.